Look at, she's trying to eat it. You gotta put it in so she can eat it. See, watch. Watch Lisa. Watch. Watch. See? She'll eat it. Hi, Quinn. I see you.
Amelia's eating the carrot.
Yeah, I know. I saw her.
She's like, all right.
Is that good, Amelia?
Aaliyah, you can feed it to the pig.
Can I pick you up? Will you let me? Will you let me? Now watch. Watch, Aaliyah. I'll break up some bread. Throw it in. You want to throw some in? You want to do it?
Aaliyah, are you going to feed that to the pig? Here, look. Say Quincy. Quincy.
Are they eating it? There you go. You want to throw some bread in?
Here, do you want to see if the pig wants this one too?
Here she is.
See? She's like, what?
Yeah. Break some bread about and throw it over the fence. You want to do it? You want to do it?
Can you throw it? Here. Here. Throw some bread out there. There you go. Again? She's like, I'll just give you the crust.
No, you don't like the crust? Oh, they love it. Look at Quinn. Quinn is like, these guys are too fast. I'm not going to eat any.
Oh, the bunnies are coming out now.
Yeah. Quincy, you're so filthy.
You filthy pig.
You filthy pig.